The Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, on Friday made strong remarks while hearing a case related to the senior advocate designation, observing that some unemployed youths later turn into activists on media, social media, and RTI platforms and attack the system. The comments were made by a bench comprising Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, and Justice Joy Malia Bagchi while they were pulling up a lawyer who had been pursuing senior advocate designation. During the hearing, the bench said, there are already parasites in society who attack the system and questioned whether the petitioner also wanted to join them. The court further stated that although many people may be eligible to become senior advocates, the petitioner was not entitled to it. The bench also remarked that if the Delhi High Court were to confer senior advocate status on the petitioner, the Supreme Court would set it aside based on his professional conduct. The Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, also referred to the petitioner's social media activity, particularly comments made on Facebook. The bench asked the petitioner whether he had no other cases to pursue and clarified that the senior advocate designation is not something that is actively pursued, but something that is conferred based on merit. During the hearing, the court also expressed concern about the verification of educational qualifications of some lawyers appearing in black robes, stating that the Central Bureau of Investigation should verify their degrees as there were doubts in some cases. It also remarked that the Bar Council of India would not act strongly on such issues as it is dependent on votes. Following the court's observations, the petitioner apologized and requested permission to withdraw the petition. The bench accepted the request and allowed the petition to be withdrawn. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.